was
meda was pa me nko bofo na obebo ne din esu bebre ba to dem kana betima se me nko bofo na obebo ne din no enye mpo na me mekọ bebre but the ambassador Ghana fo enyina ene wiase nyina omuma omuni enda ho omuni ne eda ho ni se Adom Kyei Duah se bibia ni wiase ena onu Adom Kyei Duah ya se bibia ni wiase at the age of 20 years with me free Ghana mayimu akọ Nigeria na akọ Nigeria no edie na akọ Nigeria akọ ye mase bisa no de to so mie no me pese me bisa Adom Kyei Duah se so se bibi ni wiase de ya endi eniema na wotuto ma na asore ma no edi enti na wotuto sa na ma mo me question na to so mie no na for de to so mie sa me true challenge ma Adom Kyei Duah se ohun se ni ya sa sofo ya obepeja o mayemu friends what is the name kra sofo ya na asore kumasi ya obepeja obegidi o mayemu pa mopa wọ́n sẹ́ na mopa peja mẹ́rẹ́ bi na wọ́n sàfíàsì sanni Adom Kyei Duah ẹ̀sùn diẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀nkyẹ́ kura.
na asẹ́m náà wọ́n kan ó de mopa bẹ́ẹ̀ mu a so are you trying to tell us mopa òun fi nyàmé àná.
hwẹ́ maame ká asẹ́m kyerẹ́ o adeɛ biara na hyɛ ase no obi biara wɔ hyɛ biribi ase especially ɔyɛ nyame nipa na wɔyɛ dɛ wɔde nyame asɛm ma nyame mma. Na nyame asɛm a wodi ma nyame ma no it is act of doctrine no saa nipa no ɔyɛ nyame nipa dia wono fo se wotia dia wono fo se ono okinkaba bo no enti ase na obanya no ɛna ogina so ɛde yɛ na ade Adom Kyei Duah me metumi aka se so pise on free nyame he is preaching act of doctrine not doctrine
it is a obi preaching
tie Adom Kyei Duah he's preaching language wonu kasa na woti ase no na wo kire ni ma enye se na ye kire ba bomo
akasa ben na woka
kasa na o kan se o se bibi ni wiase yesa na se bibi ni wiase adati na Paul so kire ma yense sanka bibi ni wiase anka ye ni hunam ni moja na enya ye ni wiem tumfu I get it hoti it is a wo ba out e blinding kofuno. What futuro? And I say, you throw dust in their face, telling them, say, maybe you say, what I trying to say. Then don't be selling the Yosumoja that you call. Don't be selling the powders to people. Make us as a way ama obia woni wo mangana. Se wo hu se unam kunu se obi akoji Adom Kyei Duah sticker. Tari baby aye duane wo duane. Se oye duane o se bia fruit o se we men kotondi
because
the banu nye
then ever
the banu eye o how kese ne ba o how kese ba
ade ben sa
because the source of the tea do no free am
the source
mama ka say Jesus Christ ni mre so okopi waso dem bi mu no okopi waso dem e synagogue wo hu se na eho no na omu budwa etidwa etoniama edi na oye wo twiaba ede ena okua mu nyinara ena obi ede eni ma nyina opiampia bi ede tufu se sofo se wo funyame a ade tell us to ade do you know why the reason at which bebrena say ministry is all about selling and buying. Ministry is all about selling and buying. The castle ministry means mysteries out of the ministry.
Mysteries
out of the ministry. And it has some ye from ministry.
You will intercede with Abraham.
Oh yes. It is and no what so concrete anymore. Everybody.
It is a will be a ton idea.
One free yame. Me na me catch it.
Me ma point on this this issue.
Okay.
Say chire chabusim na abeda manu metiase.
Okay.
But Say Adom Kyei Duah ton ade e wona sorry. He's not the first person what ton ade e wona sorry. You know many of men church pastors one esisu our Ghana ye call ma sorry top band to enyoma ewo asori dim ema church members. So that means say upon say Adom Kyei Duah ton ade wona sorry. San kofo no so mu mfiri nyame ana.
Obi biade a obe claim say utimi. Obe claim say wonu de na wo ye no yesi obi bia no on free nyame.
Enti ebia omo ton ade no. Omo de na ebia omo de na.
Na make catch say. Any man of God ofre no si nyame nipa. Na enyi nyame asem na odi ma nyame ma. Tell you. Enyi nyame asem a eye kwanti sem na eye hard truth no. I get it. We call it hard truth. What the man nyame ma for the benefit of the kingdom no. Sami pan wo free nyame.
Enti obi betumi free nyame na oton ade.
See, and I make it yourself. The truth of the matter is that obi a what to ade biada. Se otu nim se o ye sofo na o to ade. Oh wa sorry ya. Kai hu se what you are say kwabo dada. Na wo kwabo na borosam ba o ne borosam de edi nchia. After you know what? Ya mama se wa ho. The gospel ye si ye hunu. Ye di ye ho adum. Na enam so di kwanje nipa no. Esia no the reason tia sa gospel no ye jase ho. Na nipa bi aye wo no akasakasa ni de to shoot him. I get the whole thing. Wo ka che wo nua se dia wo no to no ono to we ne enfri nyame. Why are you also selling?
Na o ka che wana.
Oh.
Wana na o ka che.
Oni bo photo compare ya wonti.
Oni o go for kuntokwa.
Oni bo for isem ye ba ye. That is where the issue came out.
Okay.
You see, don't condemn somebody which you yourself you know say you are also doing the same thing.
Yes.
I get what I'm saying. It means that you are all the same people coming from the same place, doing the same thing. Are we not in Ghana yet? Me can't just say, okay, I want to throw a challenge to Adom Kyei Duah. I am saying it on this platform without no fear. Say Adom Kyei Duah say wonu o say bi mi wi ase. Na wo say wonu de waba. Na say asofo no bi kwa ahwe yi a o kenya ne ho man mu a enye yi. I want to throw a challenge so also for nyame dia. And the yempo obi a wawu na Adom Kyei Duah. We should stand there and raise the person. Omra. And I say, will be serious. Ye mumpa ye mano. Ye said ye money. Yes, moja. Ye man powder. I get it the whole thing. Let us just pray for the person to be well.
Okay.
Do you know why I'm saying this? Recently, it's MVP. What's it? The reason what you see, I'm telling you the truth. From now to June, July, the best see my monuya ya. Enye papa. En suba toma e be yira fa ne pa bia won tia say.
What's it from now going to June, July?
Se obi o kasa bia ye ne ho ti say nyame. O ne ho say onu e Kristo. Sa ne pa mo hwe be yi. What I say? Se wo si bi ni wiase a, don't come and sell anything. Obi yare na no nya cancer or nya cancer. Na cancer na onyaye no sabi insu akotina na yefum. I get the whole. And we are looking for 5 million to go and pull up the water. I get the whole. Omo for 5 na ko e anko twi insu no. Na mo kuta 15 million. Na mo ko Adom Kyei Duah no scan ina sai. But up to now, this and that's wo ni ho to le.
It's just a new obi o yare o ko obi ana no to no.
Enye se obi o yare bia. So don't sell items in the name of Jesus. By then, look at the miracles. Do you know what the Spirit of God has left the church? Only they just go free so them. Because pastors have become businessmen.
What's the pastors have become what?
Businessmen.
I am interested in our message.
I'm telling you.
Why have they become businessmen?
They have become businessmen is because they are not thinking about the souls. They are thinking about themselves. You can be a man of God. You can be a from left and right. If you give your money to the poor, I said it. You give even your money to the poor. What me cheska so them to me man go sika. Na se wa so them you to collect impo. Na who say so for na san to ade wa so them who you fake. I'm telling you. Jeremiah 3 the verse 17. Can come to for no muti. But the master baby.
Jeremiah chapter 3.
Yeah.
Me name Bible muti. Munyan to wasi ma me kakra. 3 verse 17. Okay. At that time, I'm reading from
verse 15.
Verse 15.
15 down. Tiasemoni you.
Mami come
on.
I'll say, and I'll give you pastors according to my heart, which shall feed you with knowledge and understanding.
Maybe. Have you seen the reason why Mika said there are pastors in this nation? All that they are doing is business. I will give you pastors according to my own heart. One, they will feed you with what? With knowledge and understanding. What are pastors doing today? Come, never turn kuto. Come, never to apple. Come, never to Bura Munshi. Come, never to Yesu Moja. Is that the gospel? Is that the message? People are blind in Kofonia Fra. Those days, I said, "Be ye poor Yesua put them na yesi." Ye person ye fa Christo ye run ye kreni ajingwan. Hey, ye so that. Wakasa menuka say, look at the way people normally behave in the church. Obi wa nyame to me sane say na wa kutu form. Na wa just say wa da form. Ene ye was going to obi jina no wa o jina no wa ye ne hu Steve. Do you know why? The church has become a place of lies. Don't think said their woeful said their woo tiase woman. And no now woeful said the church is wrong. Doctrine. And you are preaching outside doctrine. It is not the gospel. It's a law.
Okay.
Jesus is by a day as okay. Or see where they money pay no more man cost of him. And they say, oh, Jesus is going to make a statement away. Now catch it, Yamima say, be new years here. What are you trying to say?
Okay.
The be new years here, why do you also travel?
To go and look for
something. What? Then I'll go share. Then I'll go here.
You wanted to know something.
No, so what is something?
So we see the mysteries of them. The mysteries are in the ministries.
The mysteries are in the ministries. But here lies the case. It is not about the mysteries in the ministry, but rather a business in the ministry.
All right. Okay. Now, Ebia, I would like to ask you this question.
Feel free.
As you are talking, who make a statement say, whoever or say or no or ton idea, be anywhere, so I didn't know or ton idea when I saw them. I'm putting out this question. Maybe it might be suitable to whoever is listening and watching to us. I want to say, when you come to Africa, especially in Ghana, Debia Christo ni sorry or say me mama me papa me obi me. That mindset is in our mind, even though bibi we are say, but that mindset has been put into the mentality of every Ghanaian especially. It debia oye bibi kra na nto yi a or see bibi na me. So Adom Kyei Duah came in the aspect say what Jesus Christo di now the ball will bra any idea. You don't need to believe say bibi wo because Jesus Christ he has fight your battles for you. So don't worry about those things. And then bibi na anyone and then I walk patch.
Thank you so much for your question. That this is what some pastors have inculcated into believers' mind. Thank you. It's a nice question. That is why me see etifu Jeremiah 3 verse 50. There is one thing for a pastor to be called, and there's another thing for a pastor to qualify. He didn't say that after you have been called from his God's own heart, go and sell. He said what? Feed them with what? Knowledge and understanding. Do you know the meaning of knowledge and understanding? Another version says, feed them with wisdom. When a pastor, I can't just say, "Umame na iyo, papa na iyo." It's a message. Tell you. But that shouldn't be said. Who said the pana ye catch us umame na iyo, papa na iyo? It's ringing in your mind. You will not go anywhere.
You will not go anywhere. It won't say nothing. Adom Kyei Duah so much. Say you cannot accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and personal Savior and be having the burden on you that somebody is doing you. It in all can say don't accept Christ and think something is there. I watched one of his preaching. When Jesus Christ was coming to pray for that child, I see when you leprosy be do my channel man. One can say, hey, what to me? I watch my film more yesterday more. To me, I will say he made a statement. What's the who free anymore? One year to me, oh, mommy fear, to me, I papa fear. I bind them, I strangle them because Christ himself noticed there. By the mention of the Father's name, that spirit has to move away. It now Adom Kyei Duah is making a scenario to Ghanaians. Say, when you believe in Jesus Christ, don't put that burden. Oh, say no na person or chena more funny wrong.
Don't put that burden on you. I get it. Say, oh, bumper more beer. You need to shout, or you need to be also na say, oh, beer, tea. Esumo beer sin osi bumper. I get what I'm saying.
I hear.
Somebody can just close his eyes and do like this. Pray. Yambeti. Somebody can also pray and shout. Yambeti. I get it. It is not about sending pano what it is bompai church in Yamitino. And not sending pano bompai son is church in Yamitino. It's in the Bible. Or some fast and bonity, not move on pem form. Now, bompai. And tell you so. See, I am not against him saying that. But if you know, say, there will come, say, the meaning we are saying, you want to change the whole thing now. Why are you also selling things?
Okay, now the selling thing will come.
So it means that so the meaning we are saying now, oh, to a denima, and then also for the konye. No, so does it mean that the name Jesus is no more powerful than the things you are selling?
Okay.
Does it mean that the blood which you call yes moja, the powder which you think say is more powerful? Does it mean say those things are also more powerful than you also praying to God and he also coming into your situation? Please, do you know something? There are errors. We call it hard errors. That is why I am telling that Adom Kyei Duah is not preaching doctrine, he's preaching outside doctrine. The meaning of outside doctrine, I just said. So when you find out working kababona, send me one for so what yes no san I will not preach. But you see, Bible is a logos, A logos. I don't know what. Yeah. And out of the logo, it's a logo. Out of the logo, we take the rima out of the logo, which is the mysteries of the kingdom. In other words, what we call the manifestation of the kingdom. So I was telling you, when we started, I was telling you that when we talk about ministry simply means mysteries. So mysteries was taken out of ministry. I get it the whole thing. Ministry or mystery was taken out of ministry. I get it. And no, you can't say hintasem. There's one thing for you to read the Bible, and there's another thing for you to what? Study the Bible. So king Bible, and it's a Bible, and you too, and you the same thing. They are watching Bible, or Yantiase won't see the king kind. Or be better for book king kind. Say now, who feel for so king kind of you come there and influence the audience. I get it. Say now, me should be for me king kind me between what's a study Bible now. That is when the revelation will come.
Don't you also think, say, you are having a problem with, okay, the things that he's selling and all those stuff? I was like, say, Emma will be NG, PBA, ND. But I'm making this point. All right. So say now, Emma NG, PBA, ND now, or Tom Adian. Say, or Tom Adiana, do he's selling. But Ebia. Mokase muno ton na woton e na ye problem ana onyankopon ana Yesu Kristo wo ma wo bia spiritual direction e bia fanchini frase fa yese e betima cure cancer fa say so bolo ana ma ye drink bi e betima cure this thing. You understand? O se de enipa ni so se nkwase asem no nyankopon no eye ade bi won esumbo onanim e bia wo se o fanua mixi we na meton ma ana me de mawa. You understand? But so on so a service now or one members need and who say nti and a what on ana are you having a problem with direction now? When you are putting into product a what on ana idea now who a problem with the direction or you have a problem with the product he's selling?
Listen to me. Number one, in the actual sense, biblically, I get the word. Bible give us authority to judge prophecies and to judge certain things. I get it. The moment who obeka say who tongue but you are not from God. I am telling you the truth. Elijah muta na mum pama nkofuma mkotaya. Go and what? Bath in the river Jordan or go and put yourself in the Jordan River for 7 times. Did he sell something for them? I'm telling you, I'm asking you. Did he sell? Or did he give something out? No. Do we understand the word directions? I get it. Do we actually understand the word direction? When a corona, the city, you see, it causes miscarriage. Tell you, Elijah Maresu say you know sooner it causes miscarriage. 2 Kings chapter 2, the verse 20. I get it. Yes, it's a woman sooner it causes miscarriage. And the men of the city went to Elisha and said to Elisha, the city is pleasant, it's nice looking, but the water and the situation is bad. He said, what? Bring me a new bow. Put salt in. He didn't say, me won't chini wo mbra be tobi na mfa koye dia mkoye. Osi, mfa ayiwa fufure de ebra me. Mfa nchire de enka ho mbra me. Na wo konsu ne cha na ko su nchini de gum. Na de na se ye. Ehwa. Eso no yere. Baby I come. So, my question is that let's look at the prophet of old. I get it. For Elijah, Jesus Christ. Have you ever seen Jesus Christ selling? Once Jesus will cast him, baby. Now what one did that? No, if we know say the name Jesus is not powerful, and I say the Bible that we hear yes preaching is not powerful, then let us stop the work of God and let us stop deceiving people. I get it. If you said you are truly called and God has given you power and which you yourself you can come boldly and tell people that we are here. Then don't also sell, don't give anything to people. Think he said that thing will help them. Yes, are you not selling it for them to go and use it for their problem to be solved? So does it mean that you want to pray for the person? The problem cannot be solved. It's ignorant. It's always not an excuse. If you don't know, you don't know.
So Adom Kyei Duah, he doesn't know. He's ignorant.
I said that the man is preaching out of doctrine. And anybody who preach out of doctrine is not of God.
So he's fake.
Oh yes.
That is what you prophet is saying.
That's what I'm saying. That I want to throw a challenge to Adom Kyei Duah. That so was you powerful. Not say being here. It should come to Killεd and begin to catch a coffin and we sorry. Do you know something? You see, people should not be deceived though. What have we not seen nowadays? What have we not heard? And what have we not been told?
But if I'm asking you this thing, who want to say asofo bi mu ba na omo become powerful. Na omo tumi jere omo ho, etumi ye bibi more than other ones ne ya. They start to criticize him. Enti so be you no the ne Christo ye ni 2 million ade. Then people start to direct him kwa boda otiro so otumi a onko sa boda mfo e wo kwan so onko hospital onko sa na monsu na musimo ya genuinely no Yesu Christo ka say ewie ye bremu no obema mo aye de sensa ade na mo na musimo ye papa no musumo onko hospital no onko sesa yale no na obi so ti na aso na oye ni ye no then you people are criticizing him.
Do you know why?
Why? Tell me.
I will not come out. Otemi. Sir, but now social media and Asabia, national television name. I can say I am more powerful than any other person. Tell you, I get the whole thing. The moment I remember out of the casa seven, I just say, me patch say, be ni wa. I bet to me maybe you. I get the whole thing. Me to me be I can do and undo. I get the whole thing. But here lies the case. Remember out because I am more powerful than any other person. Now say, I so be crying here. Me you members in every room. So I make so much sorry. This a statement that you need not to make.
He felt he was doing saying that
when a certain man of God came to this system called Dito. You know him? You know Dito? Yeah, people he's that's what he was race course. Well, no, the can be by your friend who say eagle ring. Okuta sword be. Hey, Yarebi Yarebi was say they know the tools were. It's a Yarebi. I was just sitting down like this in the house, watching him on the television. And I told my late mom, said, this man of God is a fake man of God. Look at his you people, you watch his end. What happened? Please. Let us not allow some people to come and deceive us. There's power in the gospel than power in those items.
So if there's no power in those items and there's power in the gospel, why are you not people healing the people? How hold on? You see, Mpachomeba, Adom Kyei Duah. Right now, Ghanaians are having a problem because they are doing something. And you say members in Somalia, they doctrine no muko do ni ho. They went there because they're having some problems and he's doing it for them.
I'm coming.
He's doing it for them.
Okay.
He's doing those things for those people at that particular point. Why don't you call those people and solve those problems for those people? Heal the people. Solve their problems. They will not go to those people anymore because they feel those people who say they speak the gospel truth. No? When they come to you people, their problems are not being solved. They don't receive the healing. It is said, "Omo say, omo ye fake no, omo come omunya." Into omo say nunti na musu mulusu mo members. Mutumi nyesa.
You know something? Let me tell you something. There are genuine men of God in our dispensations who are very genuine, called by God. And they are still in the room.
And where are they?
They are in the room.
Where are they?
They are in the room.
Can you call them?
Wait. Say, see, Why can't we also call them and solve their problem? Say me catch you what say. Nyame fam so anya na obi e wu da, obi believe.
I will believe it.
No. We don't believe it. It's very difficult for people out there to believe it until they see it. I get it out. Some kind of say obi a say bi nan say yawo. Okuta puma. Wabubu ni nan ni sisa tia. Okuta puma. Some kind of say just only by prayer the man left in Pumano. Tell you, I can mention the name of the church. Wajam Pumano, ni sisi na channel straight just by prayer. Listen. And see you. Why never kunu sadie?
So what did you do? It's in a web TV station. I want one the old do na kofo. It also power the old do.
T. The me to me more me the who there will say. I get it what. Say if been po who out here. Any senior me any senior on city one. Say me obi be catcher obi to become a catcher say obi awu ha and I say bia obi be wu and I say obi e bia the site tia nyame fam so asane na any say catcher oh I don't check bia obi can say master so wait for crap there oh master forgetting us it will be hard for you to believe it. Look at the position. I know na me catcher tie for say if they said they want to see something. I want some pastors who claim they are powerful to come out. Like in the days of Elijah, who contend with the bar on my camera.
So if you prayed for somebody to get healed, someone also think he needs to use water, sobolo, salt to heal someone. Just because you prayed and somebody rised and was able to get healing, and somebody is also using salt to heal somebody. Because you prayed, you feel you are better than that person, or that person is being fake.
I'm coming. That is why I am telling you that. I will not come and say, I will not come and tell a TFO, say, Bibi ni wiase. I get it the whole thing. What kind of doctrine is this?
So do you use those justifications to just condemn somebody that is fake? Somebody who has quoted his whole ministry with this large number of people.
We are not against a large number. I get it the whole thing. We are not against a large number. People have gotten large numbers than even. Where are they today? I get it the whole thing. Where are they today? I get it the whole thing. Mopa. What is Mopa today? I get it the whole thing. People have come.
I want to say still people don't go to Mopa.
Oh, Master. I said one. Fear. They say what? By their fruit, ye shall know them. You see, I'm saying to you, let me tell you, anybody can come out and say whatever he wants to say. For you to know a genuine, you see, if somebody said he is powerful, I get it. He claimed he's powerful, and by claiming that he's powerful, he's still selling things out. What kind of power is that? I'm telling you it. No, listen. No, look at it and judge yourself. If I claim I am powerful, I can pray for somebody, lay hands on somebody, and the person will just, I get it, come out. Then, why should I also say, come and buy those items? I get it, all right. I said most pastors are not called. If I said that Jeremiah 3 verse 15, if they say truly they are called, if we can have 10 pastors who are qualified in this country, Ghana will not be like this. One man said it. If 10 pastors said they are qualified in this country, Ghana will not be at where we are. There is one thing for God to call somebody, and there's another thing for somebody to qualify the call. God can call you and say that, oh, is it Elikim or what? Elikim, go and start a business. Utia, you're not for me to go preaching. Do you think preaching is about ministry? Preaching is only ministry. Preaching you just say a ministry. Preaching just say a ministry. God can call you that, go and start a business. But you bet that you also preaching. That is what God is asking you to go and do. I get it, Oti. So, to conclude on this matter, I said the end will justify the conclusion.
The end of them.
The end will justify the conclusion.
Is it the end of them?
No, that is what I'm trying to say. I said, give them some few years, some few months, you see.
All right. End of this, you have the whole Ghana to himself. So yet to see, as you are saying here, that the end will conclude.
You see, Ecclesiastes 12, I got it, 13 and 14. Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep his commandment, for this is man all. For God shall bring every word into judgment, whether being secret, I get it, whether being good or evil, God shall bring all into judgment.
All right.